Hello everyone! Ako nga pala si Archie Canoy, your hairstylist for today. Nandito tayo sa David Salon Academy for another hair makeover at kasama natin ngayon si Miss Princess. Ano yung concern natin sa hair mo?
Actually, hair pigmentation po siya na hindi naman po ako nagkulay pero meron siyang color brown.
Okay. Ibig sabihin, natural tong hair mo, color. Wala siyang color, no? Pero nakikita natin parang may color siya, di ba? It's natural curl? Okay. Pero ngayon gusto mong magpakulay?
Apo.
Mayroon ka bang peg or ano gusto mong...
Actually, meron pa akong pinakitang caramel highlights.
Caramel highlights, okay. Okay, gagawin natin ngayon is mag-color and highlights tayo. Okay, let's start. And now, we're back. At ito na ang kalalabasan ng ating hair makeover for Miss Princess. Ang unang ginawa ko dito kay Miss Princess sa hair niya, nag-foiling highlights tayo with micro and slicing techniques. Right after no, naglagay tayo ng base ng ating, which is ito yung medium velvet blend. Okay guys, as you can see, is na-emphasize yung highlights ni ma'am kasi kinit natin yung kanyang natural curl. Okay, Miss Princess, happy ba kayo sa result?
Yes, of course, na satisfied naman, very satisfied and na-achieve naman yung gustong kulay and also the highlights. So,
okay, thank you.
Very good.
Okay guys, so if you want this kind of look, you can visit any of our branches nationwide or you can visit me, David Salon, Greenbelt. Okay guys, follow nyo kami sa lahat ng social media accounts, David Salon. Bye!